So Tigger, Tigger, you like the snow? Tigger, play in the snow? Go out and play in the snow? He says, not on your life. Go out and play in the snow? Tigger, go play in the snow? Tigger, hey, Tigger, there's no flash on this. No. Treat? Tigger want a treat? Does Tigger want a treat? Does Tigger want to go out play out in the snow? Tigger want a treat? Tigger, do you want a treat? Would you like a treat? We'll go out in the snow? Huh? He's like, have you seen how deep it is out there? You must be out of your mind. Oh, come on. You can go outside. You can go right out this door right here.
Oh, God, look at my car now.
Dave. Come on, Tigger. You can go outside. Go right out this door right here.
Yeah, right. I'm going to go very far.
Dave, look how high it is. I've
know.
never seen it that high.
No. That's the way the wind's blowing.
Oh, I think we've gotten more snow than we did in 2009.